Meaning of first principles.
First principles.
First principles.
First principles.
First principles. First principles refer to the fundamental concepts or basic assumptions that cannot be deduced from any other principles and can only be obtained through experience or intuition. These principles serve as the foundation for all other knowledge and understanding in a particular field. By breaking down complex problems into their most fundamental components, one can use first principles reasoning to arrive at new insights and solutions. This approach has been used by great thinkers like Aristotle, Isaac Newton, and Elon Musk to achieve breakthrough innovations and advancements.